wanted to share this productivity app with you all. In fact, just now I was at the office and I was telling it to one of my office colleagues, and turns out that I was thinking that it will be nice if you also know about this productivity app. It's based on Pomodoro technique. So I'll show you right now, what this app is and how to use this. It's called Be Focused. So as I just type it, it's there because I've been using it for a really long time. And what I usually do is that what you have to do is to set the time for which you want to work with full concentration and no distractions. So for me, the interval that works for one chunk is 45 minutes. And you can see here is that I have set them up from 0 to 10. You can also go into the settings here and change things for yourself to customize this. So in intervals, like you can see here for myself, I have put the work interval duration as 45 minutes and the short break duration is 5 minutes. So after working 45 minutes with full concentration, I take a 5-minute break. And usually this 5-minute break is when I just close my computer and go outside for a walk or take a washroom break or go drink some water, myself a cup of coffee. And then the long break duration you can see is 15 minutes, but then this happens only after 4 intervals. So after I have 45 minutes of interval, I take a long break. And in this long break, I usually maybe go talk to a friend or a colleague and then go outside or call someone at home. And my target per day is 10 intervals, but you can always change this. And in order to notify yourself, you can keep an alarm clock, or you can change the different sounds or have no sound at all. Also change the notification sound level here. This really helps. And you can potentially use the blocking thing, but I have actually never tried to use this. So that's really quite about it. Pomodoro is a scientific method which helps you to be more productive because you're more focused. And I believe that the biggest trouble that one faces during today's time is that we have so many distractions and information bombardment that we find it difficult to focus. So alongside, something that helps me to focus is my meditation practice, but that is due for another video. For now, I think this was sufficient, and let me know what are the productivity apps that you tend to use, or is there something that you have never used before? So give it a try. And that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching, and let me know if you need to know about more productivity apps, because I do have explored many of those. But for me, Be Focused is a very simple app that tends to work, and I've been using it for I don't know how long. Before using Be Focused, I used the Pomodoro technique, but I used to just set the timer on my clock, and that worked for me. So you don't have to have this app. Instead, you can also just set the time on your clock. But then I would avoid using a phone for this. Instead, just maybe use your alarm clock. That's the best, The more conventional it is, the better it is. Anyhow, thanks for watching and see you in another video. Bye for now.